Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pankaj Rawat and I am currently pursuing my MBA in Operation Management. As you know earlier, I worked as a new process development engineer in the automobile sector. In this video, I am going to talk about one important role in automobile industry, which is the supply chain and logistic analyst. I will quickly cover four things: what the job title means, the key responsibilities, the skill required, and the career prospects. Before anything else, let's first understand the job. Imagine how many steps are involved before a car reaches to the showroom. Hundreds of parts come from different suppliers. They are assembled in plant, moved to stockyards and regional warehouses, and finally transported to dealers. A supply chain logistic analyst is the person who studies this entire flow of material and information from supplier to customer and uses data to make it faster, cheaper, and more reliable. So, in simple words, this role is about tracking how parts and vehicles move, finding where time and money are being wasted, and suggesting improvements. Your work directly affects production, dealer availability, and finally customer satisfaction. Now let's dive into the key roles and responsibilities. First is data collection and reporting. The analyst gathers the data and on supplier deliveries, plant production, inventory transport, transportation cost, and delivery stocks. This information is turned into dashboards and reports so managers can see where things are going well and where there are bottlenecks and shortages. Second is demand forecasting and planning support. In the auto industry, demand changes with seasons, new launches, and fuel prices. Now analyst studies past sales and market inputs to help forecast demand for different models. These forecasts guide production plans and purchase quantities, so the company produces right vehicle in the right mix. Third is inventory optimization. The goal here is to have enough stock but not too much. The analysts look at inventory turnover, safety stock, and reorder points for parts and finished vehicles. They use tools like ABC analysis or EOQ to decide which item must always be available and where stocks can be reduced. Fourth is transportation and logistic analysis. Vehicles and parts move through plants. Stockyards and dealers use various routes and modes. The analysts compare routes, transit times, and freight rates and suggest improvements like better routing or load consolidation to reduce cost and delivery time. Fifth will be improvement projects and coordination. The role also involves helping with projects, warehouse layouts, supporting system like WMS and TMS, and coordinating and procurement, finance, and sales teams to implement changes. So overall, it is a mix of working with data, understanding ground realities, and supporting decisions across the entire automobile supply chain. To do well as a supply chain and logistic analyst, you have required some essential skills. First is analytical and quantitative skills. Comfort with numbers, excels, and basic statistics is a must because most decisions and data driven knowledge of tools like SQL, Python, R, or Tableau and analytics software is a plus point. Understanding of supply chain and auto operations. You should know how procurement, production planning, inventory, warehousing, and transportation fit together. Terms like lead time, safety stock, service level, and logistic cost should be familiar. Another is IT and system skills, like automobile companies use ERP systems along with WMS and TMS. Being able to pull data, use visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau adds a lot of value. And after this, communication and problem solving. Finally, you must explain your analysis clearly to plant managers, supply chain heads, and sales teams, and work with them to solve problems and implement improvements. Career prospects. Now, coming to career prospects, with the growth of the automobile manufacturing, EVs, and global sourcings, companies need more professional who understand supply chain and logistics. You may start in roles like supply chain analyst, logistic analyst, inventory material analyst, or operation analyst in a plant or warehouse. With experience, you can move up to supply chain manager, logistics or distribution manager, warehouse or regional supply chain head, and later even head of supply chain for a business unit. So, in the long run, strong supply chain expertise can lead to a senior position such as global supply chain head or chief operation officer, because efficient supply chains directly impact cost, availability, and customer experience. To sum up, to sum up, I would like to say a supply chain and logistic analyst in the automobile industry uses data technology to keep the complete network from suppliers to dealers. For students like me with a combination of engineering and technical background and MBA in operations, this role is a great way to apply analytical skills while staying close to real world operations. So, guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand the role of supply chain and logistic analyst, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.